Hey everyone, welcome to Math Jamboree. Today we're diving into the world of quadratics and learning how to factor quadratic equations. This is a crucial skill in algebra, and with a little practice you'll be able to pro in no time. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. In this series of videos I would like to show you the shortcuts how to factor these trinomials. So this is given as n squared minus 11n plus 28 is equal to 0. And you're looking for the factors of n squared, which is n times n. And when you multiply, what numbers do you get? 28. You can multiply, just think of a numbers. You can just say 14 and 2. That's a possibility. You can use that. Or you can use 7 and 4. Why didn't I use 14 and 2? Because when I add 14 and 2 in any combinations, I wouldn't get 11. I need negative 11. So when you multiply these two numbers, you're just supposed to get positive 28. But when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 11. To get negative 11 from 7 and 4 by adding, I must have negative for both. Negative 4 times negative 7 is still positive 28, but when you add them, do you get the number in the middle, which is negative 11? Yes, you do. Then you can just go ahead and rewrite this equation side by side. N minus 7 times n minus 4 is equal to 0. And you can solve each of them separately. N minus 7 is equal to 0. In this case, you're supposed to add 7 to the both sides of the equations. N will be positive 7. Or you can also do n minus 4 is equal to 0. Add 4 to both sides. The n will be positive 4. Do I have positive 4 in the choices? In the choice A we have negative 4. No. No. Neither C, neither nor D is the answer, but when you look at it, the choice B will be the answer for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. I wish you good luck on your tests, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.